2 months away from YouTube and a lot of things has already been happening in my life. I've been content creating for such a long time now while working online jobs on the side, and I do all that while trying to survive engineering. And now, I can't believe I'm here.
We're done printing our thesis, bookbinding actually, and wala na, as in tapos na kami sa lahat ng academic responsibility.
If you're following me on Instagram, I've been traveling a lot. Manila, Baguio, La Union, and I'm just having such a great time.
But feel emotional is like kasi wala lang. These are the things na I didn't expect that I would ever experience in my life. Especially na grabe yung paghihirap namin during our high school days. So life update, tagal kong nawala dito sa YouTube kasi nga mag-graduate na ako. Like I've been so busy prioritizing all my exams, yung TCEP ko. And yeah, it's just all about knowing your priorities. Kaya hindi na ako masyadong nagva-vlog noon. Hinihintay ko na lang yung graduation day. Move out na din ako ng apartment this Sunday hopefully, and if I'm gonna be honest, ang hirap i-let go ng apartment na to. Kasi nga diba, apartment has really been my comfort place, tapos kailangan ko nang iwan. So yan, it's a bit saddening. Talaga yung nag-i-stress sa akin kasi still, this vlogging is still a career for me. This is still a work. And marami pa rin naman akong mga brand collaborations na need gawin. And I think mas comfortable akong gumawa ng mga brand promotions if I have my own space. So yun yung kino-consider ko. Ito, this is from Gujo Doc. So, binigyan nila ako ng keyboard case. Recently kasi bumili ako ng iPad na 12.9 inches, pero 3rd gen pa to. And they told me na gusto nila akong padalhan ng ganito. So, ooh! Grabe! Take that. Ganun lang.
Praying that you will be inspired, but it does not stop.
Okay.
Marag sa kakata, at least maka graduar ka, kitambok nga nasaya ato, pagpahit ang
Ala ni mama, give.
lang sumalang ko nagati pangarap ni mo nga maka-graduar kayo ng saya at pinumanong mo nga makapagtrabaho mo at
Ibig kayo maganuan.
Natalaos ko niya. Nagkaroon natin financial. May babawasan si problema
siyempre manulat sweldo na nagpupupra doon unang puso ko islang baka no kukuha makakasla nagrigat mo yan
So, oh my god, I can't believe that I just graduated. Honestly, I'm creating this video like a week after my graduation and ngayon lang sa akin nag-sink in na it's really over. I'm no longer a student. I no longer have the discount of a student and I'm really in a real life now and honestly, it's so pressuring to like find a good job. Di ko din alam if I will be able to sustain myself in the long run and become independent. I have a lot of dreams ahead of me, honestly, and yung expectation natin na after graduation, oh, I'm gonna be rich. Pero grabe, ang hirap pala. Mag-apply pa lang ng trabaho, ang hirap na. Buti na lang nakapasa ako and nakawala. So now I'm going to prepare for my board exams now. That will be next year and hopefully I can pass. And I've been a hiatus because I was also really busy finding work and also doing work. So good thing naman, I'm still employed in a Los Angeles-based company as a video editor. Pero sakto-sakto lang din naman yung sweldo, pero at least 'di ba mas marami pa actually compared sa monetization ko. So yun, parang mas ginusto ko na lang maging productive while earning money. So yun, nagwo-work na lang more than creating videos. But I hope I can create more videos this coming weeks, coming days, and also share to you my life reviewing, hopefully. So yun lang. Thank you guys for your support. Honestly, di ko in-expect na I will reach this point in my life, but I did. So if you're also struggling, I hope na malagpasan mo rin yan. Yan lang. Bye-bye.